PO house by Dall'Ovo Magalhães Arquitetura in Brazil. Located north of Ilhabela, on Barreiros Beach, the PO house started from the premise of renovating the existing house. However, as it is an old house and is located on the seafront, it was necessary to preserve the perimeter of the existing building, but given its needs, we opted, together with the client, for the total demolition of the interior. As a result, we had the freedom to design practically from scratch and create a new, contemporary design, with a metallic structure and a light and slender cover in plywood sheets and PVC blanket. Volumetrically, it is a horizontal main block with a flat roof resting on a stone base. This block comprises the lowest and lightest volume from the garage, being connected by the diagonal stone wall that marks the main entrance to the residence. In this new house, the insulation was studied and respected, so that the openings of the living room and bedrooms were wide and facing the northeast, and thus receive the sun throughout the morning. The kitchen is integrated into the living and dining room, creating a large social area, which, opposite the entrance to the room, connects to a cozy and intimate wooden deck, ideal for relaxing in the late afternoon. The house has wide eaves with autoclaved pine wood lining, certified and highly durable wood. This same lining is present in the interior of the residence and is connected through the large aluminum frames, doors and windows, with a brown internal finish, and external, in woody paint. The internal doors are made of wood and are made up of flags so that the set has the same floor-to-ceiling height, which gives a sense of spaciousness, harmonizing with the high ceiling of 3.0 m in height throughout the house. The bathrooms in the children's suites have a skylight for overhead lighting and permanent ventilation. The light effect on the ceramic-coated shower is beautiful and creates a very special atmosphere in the place. The garage should be a building with a different character, which would not impede the entry of light and permeable flooring. We opted for a metallic pergola structure with a reflective laminated glass cover with an anti-UV film, guaranteeing thermal comfort to the environment, and an interlocking floor made of concrete. The space can accommodate 3 cars and also has a technical area and a carpentry workbench, a hobby of the client.